So here we are, 3 generations of women, and by extension, an entire matrilineage responding to the call. We gather here not to ask questions or to define an object or subject, not to mark out an area or field, not to define borders around objects and scenes and situations and archives, and not even to break borders between and across fields and disciplines. Rather, we come together to be curious, to share wonder, and to muse on possibility, and to follow on the generosity of the call.
So through a bunch of different methods, I want you to basically kind of talk to the materials around you or have a conversation with them.
Between 70 and 90% of all plant species on Earth associate with mycorrhizal fungi. So it's a very ubiquitous partnership in nature. Now what plants need are things like phosphorus and nitrogen, and those are important elements that are in the soil. What the fungi need are carbon. They are what we call obligate biotrophs, so that means they cannot survive without carbon from a plant host. So they formed this partnership, and they formed it about 450 million years ago.
Open your eyes and find the eyes of someone close to you. Get closer. Look at them in the eye. Don't break contact.
I anoint you with the sign of the spiral. I anoint you with the sign of the spiral. I anoint you with the sign of the spiral.
Reach for the furthest sound you can listen to.
Reduced listening is when we listen completely without any judgment, without any desire to understand or comprehend or locate or know the sound, just a purely sensuous experience of being in the field of sound without any judgment.